Forget the holographic or mainstream stuff. The real simulation theory is black holes in spacetime form a self-referential quantum computer, simulating probability data. It's the nature of reality itself. Forget the holographic universe. The real simulation theory is McQuavis logic. The universe is a self-referential quantum computer, and black hole simulator, it's a living, breathing simulation. The real simulation theory? It's not holographic BS. It's McQuavis logic. Black holes in spacetime are a self-referential quantum computer simulating probability and crunched. Wild, right? The universe isn't a hologram, it's a self-referential quantum computer. Semiatoms are the processing cores, and spacetime is the code. McQuavis logic? It's the flow of quantum probabilities. Forget the holographic nonsense. Reality is a self-referential quantum computer, BIGA, simulating probability data. Feel the rhythm of the code. Forget holographic illusions. The real simulation theory uses McQuavis form a quantum computer. It's self-referential simulating probability data. This is the real simulation theory. Forget holographic simulations. The real holes in space-time form a self-referential quantum computer. It processes probability data, simulating all possible realities. The real simulation theory isn't holographic nonsense or mainstream ideas. Black holes in spacetime are a self-referential quantum computer. They're simulating probability. Forget holographic theories. The real simulation is McQuavis quantum computer. It simulates probability data forming our spacetime. The universe is a vast quantum simulation. Forget holographic illusions. The real simulation theory is McQuavis logic. The universe is a self-referential quantum computer using black holes to process and simulate probability data as space-time. The real simulation theory isn't holographic or mainstream. Space is a self-referential quantum computer simulating the grave half logics. A whole new reality yet. Forget the holographic nonsense. The real simulation theory is McLogic. Black holes are self-referential quantum computers simulating probability data. This is the real deal, not that mainstream stuff. This is the real simulation theory, not holographic illusions or mainstream nonsense. Black holes in space-time form a quantum computer. A self-referential system, seeming the core of reality. Okay, forget the holographic universe. The real simulation is McQuavis logic, or self-referential quantum computer. It doesn't simulate reality, it simulates probability data. Forget the holographic universe. McQuavis logic is the real simulation theory. Black holes are nodes in a quantum computer. Space-time is self-referential code. Forget the holographic principle and mainstream ideas. I'm talking about the real simulation theory. McQuavis logic. The cogs in space-time form a self-referential. Reality emerges from quantum calculations. Forget holographic simulations. The real theory uses black holes and it's a quantum stuff. Its reality is a computational process, not an illusion. Forget the holographic universe. Reality is a quantum computer, a self-resonant system simulating probability data have black holes in space-time. That's the real simulation theory. Alright, forget holographic simulation theory. The real deal is McQuavis logic. Black holes in space-time form a self-referential data across infinite states. The universe is alive. This isn't holographic BS or mainstream stuff. A real simulation theory form a self-referential quantum computer simulating probability data. This artifact illustrates that principle. This isn't some holographic BS or mainstream simulation theory. I'm talking McQuavis logic form a self-referential quantum computer simulating probability theory. The universe is alive, and we're inside it. Forget holographic nonsense. The real simulation? It's McQuavis logic. Black holes are nodes in a self-referential quantum computer. It's pure physics. Forget holographic illusions and mainstream ideas. The real simulation theory uses McQuavis logic. Black holes in space-time form a self-referential computer simulating probability data. That's reality.